Are you wondering how to increase your bust size naturally? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll share effective tips and an effective herbal supplement to help you achieve a fuller look. How to get bigger breasts naturally. Many women desire a fuller bust but are hesitant about surgery. Fortunately, there are natural methods that can help you improve your breast size without going under the knife. By focusing on lifestyle changes, exercise, and natural supplements, you can support your body in achieving the look you desire. These approaches can help improve firmness and shape, making you more confident. Patience is key. Natural enhancement takes time, but it is entirely possible. Natural supplement to get bigger breasts. Big B-36 Capsule is a natural supplement designed to increase breast size and firmness while promoting overall women's health. This unique formulation features a powerful blend of 16 herbs, including Nagabala, Babool, and Lajwanti, each renowned for their positive impact on bust tissue. These natural ingredients are thought to encourage the growth of breast tissues, resulting in a fuller and firmer bosom. Additionally, components like patharful and gambari are vital in boosting skin elasticity and hormonal balance, which is essential for youthful and resilient busts. Overall, the powerful blend in Big B-36 Capsule focuses on breast enhancement and supports female vitality and wellness. Herbs to increase breast size naturally. Nagabala, Seed spinosa. Nagabala is valued for its antioxidant properties and ability to support skin health, which can contribute to bosom firmness. It also promotes overall vitality and wellness in women, making it a beneficial herb for enhancing bust size and firmness. Babool, Acacia arabica. Babool is renowned for its astringent properties, which can help tone and firm the breast tissues. Its general health benefits include improving skin elasticity and aiding in maintaining hormonal balance, which is crucial for bust development and firmness. Lajwanti, Mimosa pudica. Lajwanti is often used in traditional medicine for its rejuvenating effects. It is believed to help firm the breast tissues and improve health. Its natural compounds may improve skin elasticity and support the body's hormonal balance, contributing to better size and firmness. Patharful, Parmelia perlata. Known for its cooling and soothing properties, patharful is used in herbal formulations to improve skin tone and texture. This herb can help firm the skin and tissues, thus enhancing breast appearance. It also supports overall skin health, which is beneficial for maintaining youthful and firm busts. Exercises to get bigger breasts at home. Push-ups. This classic exercise targets the chest muscles effectively. Aim for 3 sets of 10 repetitions to build strength over time. Chest press with weights. Lie on your back with a dumbbell in each hand, extending your arms above your chest. Lower the weights slowly to the sides and press back up, aiming for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Wall presses. Stand facing a wall, placing your palms flat at shoulder height. Lean towards the wall and push back, completing 3 sets of 15 presses for a solid workout. Pec deck flies. Using weights or resistance bands, bring your arms together in front of you, squeezing your chest muscles. Repeat this for 3 sets of 10 to improve your chest shape. In addition to these exercises, consistently taking Big B-36 capsules for 3 months can significantly support your goal of achieving naturally bigger breasts. This combination will boost your efforts and help you see remarkable results. How to get Big B-36 Capsule. One of the best ways to support your breast enhancement journey is by taking Big B-36 capsules. These capsules are a natural supplement to help you achieve a fuller appearance. You can conveniently purchase Big B-36 Capsule from ayurvedresearch.com and take a step toward enhancing your natural beauty. If you liked this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe to our channel. Don't miss the next video on how to boost your breast size without surgery.